ready to send money from Remitly directly to Bkash, Bangladesh's favorite mobile wallet. Let's make it happen in just a few simple steps. First, open your Remitly app if you haven't already. You'll need to create an account or log in once you're in. Tap on the Send Money option. Now, to send money to Bangladesh, you'll select Bangladesh as your destination country for the payout method. Choose Bkash. This ensures your recipient gets the funds directly in their mobile wallet. Next, enter the amount of money you wish to send. Remitly will clearly display the exchange rate, the fees associated with the transfer, and the total amount your recipient will receive in Bangladeshi taka. Always double-check these details before proceeding. This is a crucial step, adding your recipient's Bkash details. You'll need their full name as registered with Bkash, and their 11-digit Bkash mobile number. Make sure this information is absolutely accurate to avoid any delays or issues. Before you confirm, Remitly will show you a summary of your transfer. Review all the details one last time: sender information, recipient information, and the amount. It's like a final check to ensure everything is perfect. Once you're satisfied, simply tap Confirm Transfer or the equivalent button. Your money is now on its way to Bangladesh, directly to your recipient's Bkash account. You'll typically receive a notification or email confirmation from Remitly, and your recipient will get an instant SMS alert from Bkash as soon as the money arrives. Easy, right? Remember, always ensure you have the correct recipient details and be aware of any local regulations or transaction limits. Happy sending with Remitly and Bkash.